मणिपुर विधानसभा की बैठक में भाजपा ने युमनाम खेमचंद सिंह को अपना विधायक दल का नेता चुना है। एन वीरेन सिंह के इस्तीफे के बाद फरवरी 2025 से खाली पड़े मणिपुर के मुख्यमंत्री पद को खेमचंद सिंह भरने के लिए तैयार हैं। इसके तुरंत बाद भाजपा नेता युमनाम खेमचंद सिंह के समर्थकों ने इम्फाल स्थित उनके आवास के बाहर पटाखे फोड़े। इस समय इम्फाल में जश्न का माहौल देखा गया।
Today I'm very happy because Shri Yumnam Khemchand, who is legislature member of our constituency, has been selected as the Chief Minister of Manipur. I wish and he will bring peace and harmony and normalcy in Manipur.
We are very excited and we are very happy that our honorable has been selected as a CM of the Manipur, and all the Singamai peoples are very happy that this is the first CM of the Singamai. Then he has been selected for the Manipur, and I hope that he will do something good for all of us, and we hope that he will unite all together, and he will bring the peace and the harmony and prosperous of our state.
It's good that we are going to have a elected government, popular government, and it's a long due. So we thank the central leadership for finally taking this step.
How do you see, because this is a long conflict in Manipur, there's a lot of internal things is going on. So after this, do you believe that now the new selection?
No, as every problem has a solution. So I think with the guidance of the central leadership and the new ministry, under the leadership of Mr. Yumnam Khemchand, I think we will find solution.
Everything will be good. Whatever the happening is for the good of the people of Manipur. And it's very regret to inform to you all the friends, like you won't be able to get him for today because he got some other engagement with the central leaders also. So like, you'll be late for today, and maybe you can give it a bite tomorrow.
So
not
BJP leaders are also present inside right now. There's a meeting going on.
Yeah.
You can send anything.
Yeah. Like, whatever the discussion is, everything will be good for the people of Manipur and for the nation also. And for today, he won't be people won't be able to get him because he's busy with the central leaders also. BJP leaders are there, and after that, some other meeting with the legislators also. And after that, he will be having meeting with the NDA partners also. So for that, in that way, it will be very late for today.
So when will be the oath-taking ceremony? Is there any confirmation on that?
That may be tomorrow, because we all are going back tomorrow.
And so what is the plan of action once the government is formed, once the government is restored?
For that though, I cannot say anything because same he has to do it, no? Like, I'm not the same, and I cannot say anything about it.
ये स्पीकर थे और इस सरकार में यानी कि पिछला जो पहला स्टिंट था इसमें ये कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर थे, तो इनका मेरे ख्याल से सबके साथ ठीक था, अभी तो ये बने इनके कुकी भाइयों के साथ नागा भाई वगैरह ठीक है, मेरे ख्याल से प्रॉब्ली दैट इज द मेन रीजन, एंड यही है इनका इंटेंट अच्छा है तभी तो इनको बनाया गया है। अब आप देखो एक डिप्टी सीएम बनाया है कुकी, अपनी मणिपुरी कुकी लेडी को जो नेमचा किपगिन, दूसरे साहब हैं आई थिंक मेरे ख्याल से वांगबोई न्यूमा है हैं जी, तो मतलब अच्छा, मतलब कोऑर्डिनेशन अच्छा रहेगा। चलो बिल्कुल हमेशा अच्छा सोचिए और मणिपुर फलेगा फूलेगा, हिंदुस्तान भी फलेगा फूलेगा।
बता दें कि मणिपुर में 13 फरवरी 2025 को राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू किया गया था, जब एन वीरेन सिंह ने मुख्यमंत्री पद से इस्तीफा दे दिया था। एन वीरेन सिंह का इस्तीफा राज्य में कई महीनों से जारी रुक कर होने वाली हिंसा के बाद आया था।
हमसे जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकॉन को दबाएं।